Hello everyone, welcome to Trap Shots with Nishan Krishna. I hope you are watching all my other videos in my channel. In case you like that, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to be notified on the next video. I have lot more interesting videos coming up. India is an enormous and diverse destination. Bordered by Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Myanmar, not to mention the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, means that there are many different sides to the country. More than 20 official languages, multiple religions, and a variety of cuisines exist within India's borders. To truly experience the breadth of Indian culture and history, travel is key. Head to as many of these beautiful places to visit in India as your itinerary allows. In this edition, I bring 5 such places that you should never miss in your India trip. Now let's dive into the video. In the state of Maharashtra, you can explore the caves of both Ellora and Ajanta. At Ellora, there is an enormous complex of shrines carved from the rocky landscape. These 34 cave shrines are up to 1500 years old, and they are from 3 distinct religions: Buddhism, Jainism and Hinduism. 2 hours away is Ajanta, which is also home to 29 caves. The Ajanta caves are covered in murals and paintings, most of which reflect Buddhist stories. While the 2 cave complexes are 2 hours away from one another, it is well worth visiting both to compare these incredible attractions. With a history dating back to more than 3000 years, Varanasi is one of the world's oldest living cities. Located in North India on the banks of the river Ganges, Varanasi has been an important center of learning for ages as well as a chief pilgrimage destination for many Hindus. Varanasi is regarded as a sacred city among Hindus, Jains and Buddhists because it is believed that dying here releases a person's soul from the cycle of reincarnation, and that bathing in the river Ganges cleanses one's sins. Probably the most famous sights of the city are the Ghats, the series of embankment steps leading down to the Ganges river where many people gather to bathe. Yoga, shaves and massages are other activities available here. The best way to see the Ghats is by taking a morning boat ride at sunrise. The southwestern state of India, known as Kerala, is a place of tropical beauty. Palm trees, white sand beaches, and ecotourism are all big reasons to explore the region. Besides its famous backwaters, elegant houseboats, and temple festivals, Kerala is also home to Thekadi, a tiger preserve which allows you to admire the flora and fauna without crowds. The hub of Kerala is the city of Kochi, where you can see the local fishing industry thriving along with modern high-rises and colonial architecture. Kochi is ethnically and religiously diverse, and in a single afternoon you can explore a Jewish synagogue, a Dutch palace, a Portuguese fort and a Hindu temple. Agra is one of the most visited cities in all of India. Once the capital of the Mughal Empire, Agra is now home to the iconic structure known as the Taj Mahal. The white marble mausoleum was built in the 17th century, as it is widely regarded as a monument of love. Also worth seeing in Agra is the Agra Fort, which is very similar to the Red Fort of Delhi. You can tour this 16th century fort and even explore the interior of its beautiful place. Northwestern India is where you will find the state of Rajasthan, which borders Pakistan and is home to the Thar Desert. Whether you are interested in Rajput history or views of the Aravalli Mountains, Rajasthan contains some of the best places to visit in India. Jaipur, or the Pink City, is the capital of Rajasthan and a wonderful place to begin your trip. It is home to an array of incredible architecture, including 3 forts, many temples, and an extraordinary city palace. Also in Rajasthan and worth visiting is Jodhpur, the so-called Blue City, and the gateway to the Thar Desert, as well as the home to the spectacular Mehrangarh Fort. I hope you liked this edition of TravShots. If you like my video and still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and also hit the bell icon to be notified on the next video. Please do share this video with your friends and relatives. Till the next one, signing off, Nishant.